Hi viewers, welcome to our channel The English Speaking Academy. Since long I could not make video, so today I'm making this video for you, and then this is all about repeating all the 4 skills of developing English language. So in this video I will be uploading few of the background images which will help you to understand my point, the topic what I am discussing in this video. So without taking much time, let's get started. So there are 4 skills to develop in English language. Number one is called listening. What does it mean? It means listen very carefully, because any language we learn it while listening. So we need to make sure that we listen very carefully. A child, before he goes to school, he speaks language. How does it happen? It's all about listening. So listening plays the vital role in the process of learning English language. So we need to make sure that we listen very carefully how people speak, and then after that we need to keep on speaking something like that. First of all, we need to make sure that we listen. What do we listen? English words, English sentences. Whether we understand, we don't understand, it has nothing to do with that. Just we have to listen. After listening we will get some idea. Okay, what was that word? I heard somewhere someone spoke. And then after that you will learn meaning, and then as well as you will learn how to speak that word. Until unless you don't listen, language is not going to be improved. So make sure that listen very carefully how people speak. Listen English in YouTube channel, listen English from any new channels whenever you get time. Okay, fine. Number two is speaking. After listening, what you have to do, you have to speak language. Yes, I heard somebody spoke that word. Now let me speak. Let me try to speak it. Why we have to speak it? Because until unless we don't speak, it is not going to come out from our mouth. While speaking, it's not sure that we are going to pronounce that word very clearly. Chances are we may make mistake. Chances are we might not be able to pronounce that particular word or sentence which we heard from somewhere. So we have to speak that. While speaking, you get some confidence. So make sure that we speak. Hello, hi, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from? What are you doing these days? I haven't seen you. How is your life going on? Yeah, speak. Expose yourself. Because it's very important. Until unless you don't speak a language, it's not going to come out from your mouth. We have to make the practice of speaking. First thing, listen. Second thing, speak. Very important. The simple way of learning language, any language. Okay, make habit of speaking English language with your friends, with your English teachers, with anyone, to whomever you like, but at least every day, maybe for short period of time, but it's very important. Speaking English language will help you to build up your confidence in speaking. Fine. Number third, reading English. Read very carefully. Look at this child. How is he reading? Very deeply, paying attention on each and every word. While reading, we learn lots of new words. Reading will help us to improve vocabularies as well as to identify the word, how word is written there, the symbols of an alphabet. By reading that particular word, we understand something. So as we keep on reading English words, books, sentences, that will help us to develop our language. There will come some new words which we do not know. But then in reading, we are developing all those new words. After that, we have to identify what is the meaning of that particular word. What I read, I was not able to understand at that moment when I was reading a book. It's very important. Make habit at least every day, half an hour, read anything in English, any book from anywhere, whatever you like, but make sure that you read. It's very important, especially for schools going students. They must be making sure that they have good reading skill, and it is not sure that whatever you are reading you are going to understand that 100%. Might not be possible, but at least when you read, after that you can check your pronunciation. Yes, the word I was reading, I don't know the meaning, but at least I could pronounce it very correctly because I have very good reading skill. So make sure. Fine. Okay, let's go to next. Next is writing, very important, crucial also. So at last, so after listening, speaking, reading English, now we have to learn how to write, because this is your exam. So this is your real examination test, because whatever you know, whatever you have memorized, whatever ability you have to speak, now the final test will be taken in your writing. How can you express yourself in written English language? How can you make sentences? How can you write the spelling of a word? How can you make your handwriting the way you are writing? Are people able to understand your writing or not? This is the question now in front of you, and it is very important. Nowadays most of the students are not paying attention in writing, so writing skill is not improving. That is the reason it's little difficult for people to check and understand your writing. Writing, very important. The way you keep on writing and improving your writing, it will help you to express your thoughts, emotions in written English. Okay, hope it's clear. So after all these 4 skills, I have added 2 more skills. So number 5 is called singing in English will help you to improve your English. Enjoy to sing in English, whatever song you know, at least speak of one sentence. Yeah, that will help you. When you keep on singing, enjoying while singing, so that also is one of the best ways of improving English language. So make sure that if you can sing some of the songs in English, that will help you to keep your flow in speaking English language, because at least you are singing in that particular language. Okay, this also can be added, very important also. If you are a very good singer, so at least try to sing some songs in English language, learn and try to sing it. Okay, let's go next. At last, thinking in English will also help you to improve your English language. Once you think in English language, so English becomes your own language. Any language we speak, before speaking, we think in our mind. Don't translate, think in English. Oh, I have forgotten my pen in academy. I will get by tomorrow. Oh, I did not do my homework. Sir will ask. Let me begin now. Thinking. Think in English. Nothing happens. Think in words. I forgot. He did not call me. Thinking in English will help you to improve your English language. Once you think in English language, so English will become your own language. Then you have no problem at all to speak anywhere, anytime, to anyone. I repeat it once again. Number 1, listen English very carefully. That will help you to improve your English language. Number 2, speak English. This will help you to develop your confidence in speaking English language. Yes, I can do it. Number 3, read English. Make habit of reading. Please do it. Number 4, write English. Your exams are coming. Make habit of writing. Okay. Number 5th, sing in English and enjoy. Okay. And at last, number 6, think in English. This will help you to remember and then to speak language very fluently, as well to understand also what people speak. So okay, this was all about 4 skills to develop in English language. 2 more I have added. Yeah, you can add some more skills also. Playing in English, joking in English, whatever it may be. Make sure ultimately you improve your language, as these are the very important skills that every day we need to keep on improving all those skills. And then before we end this video, make sure that if you are new, consider subscribing and hit the notifications bell to be the first one to know when we upload videos something like this. And we are sometime live also. Make sure that you be the part of all those live classes. Live classes are going and then those who hit the notification, they come to know all the notification of our live classes.